So what we have here, we're going to do an unboxing of the Truper Metric Socket set. There's really not much to unbox them. To open the kit, you press the two buttons here. There's the complete set. This particular one, it's an 18 piece set, so it only comes with the metric. They do sell another one that comes with standard, and they usually put the metric over here and then run the standard around here. It comes with your power bar, something to give you a little strength when you're working. It comes with your ratchet. Now, these ratchets, I don't know what others are like, but you have to make sure that this is right over to one side or right over to the other side. If you have it somewhere in between, you will break it, because the little device, the little tooth inside there, has to sit firmly in place, completely to the right, completely to the left. Very important. If you do break it, they are reparable, but you don't want to do that. So you have that. You have your long extender, your short extender. This is very handy. We use it often. You have your plug socket, 21 millimeter, 16 millimeter. So that's what comes with the Truper. It's a nice set. The box closes nicely. Very portable. Now, you don't want to drop these because these are very heavy, and these plastic hinges in the back will break. Had bad experience in the past. Now, I just want to mention one thing. When I worked as a mechanic's assistant, in the shop where I was, we were only allowed to buy Mac tools or Snap-on. And I could understand why, because a lot of things like from Canadian Tire, Sears, and all of those tools, very cheap tools, you go to use them once, put a little bit of pressure on them, they break. So I could understand, and especially these here. And in the when you have the impact wrench sockets, you need a good quality as well, because these will shatter with an impact wrench, even good quality ones. So you need to have special sockets for that. So don't use these with impact wrench. I'll just accentuate that again. You can use this with your Makita drill if you want, but not with an impact wrench. The difference between this, of course, and Canadian Tire and Sears and all of those marks, brands rather, Mastercraft and all that, is that this is a higher quality. To be quite honest, in all of my experience in working in the garage, working with Snap-on, working with Mac tools, I can't see a difference in quality, personally, between Truper and those tools, in particular the Snap-on, which is a little better than Mac tools. And the price is quite different. You'll pay something like $50, I think, for a set like this, $70 with the standard tools, whereas with Snap-on you'll pay a lot more. And for what? You're not really getting a lot more quality. I don't work for Truper. I have no affiliation with them. I'm just mentioning this as a service to you. So these are very good tools, and I think you'll enjoy using them.
Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.